Hi, to reset network settings on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings. From here, find General Management tab, and after that, scroll all the way down to find Reset option. Now simply tap it, and after that, you would see some options. You can reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth accessibility. So from this list, we will need to choose mobile network settings, of course, just by tapping it. And after that, you will need to enable mobile data again. So now let's reset settings. And for that, we need to draw a pattern or enter PIN code or password. And then here, confirm that you want to reset network settings. So tap blue button, and now network settings reset. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.